Hi guys, Grudy's Racing Resto. Right, we're on the e30 turbo alpina convertible. Kurt's car. Oil brakes are off. So got braided lines, rainbow pads, slotted rotors. We're going to put this e90. Wait, let's see if we can get in here. It's an e90 booster. 1 series, 3 series, same kind of stuff. Now, 25, 22. This is I think this is a 330 booster. Some of the diesels have the same one. We're going to put this down in there. I'll do a part 1 and part 2. For now I'll just do the willwoods. So let's go around here. We'll go from that. I've trimmed the backing plate. So this will use the factory backing plate. Hold on. There you go, to that. Nice and easy. Right, let's have screws back here. Clean a bit of that fluid off. Right. So the setup works pretty well. This is the tightest nuts to get to though, is these ones here, the two down in there. That's probably about the only issue. I did think about threading the stub axle, make it nice and easy, but people wouldn't want to use a tap to thread stuff most of the time. But yeah. So I'll get the other side on. Right. Second one on. The pads have, hold on. So the pad doesn't cover the whole rotor. This is a Citroen rotor, but pad does. It doesn't hang over the edge, which is important for me. It comes right to the edge, so it's good. So it won't have a horrid step. Right. I'll do a part 2. And I will fit this sucker. Okay, thanks.